So while we were doing a grill shell repair, our tape gun broke. And it's just one of the 3M Scotch or tape guns. And you can see here, it was very thin and not made properly, so that's one of the reasons it broke. So we're going to reattach this back on here using Plastex. So what I'm going to do here to start this repair, get it so I can finish it, is this. I'm going to take and just grind 4 little spots in here and reattach this on here like a tack weld with Plastex. And then after those 4 tacks dry, I'm going to V the whole thing out and then fill it in. Okay, because I can't get to the inside of this, I just took the Dremel and I put 4 little notches here, kind of spots. And I did that so that we keep a real tight fit here. So when I fix it all the way around, it'll be exactly the way it was in the right spot. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this in place and then fill those 4 spots like tack welds. Okay, I took the packaging tape and put on the back side of the handle here to hold this in place. We have the 4 little notches. There's 2 on this side, and I'll do these 2 first to just tack it in place. Let's put one there. And that's just because I can't get to the back side. Otherwise, we could V it out and fill it from the back side. So we have those 2 little tacks there. We'll let that dry 10 minutes, and then we'll pull it and do the back side. Okay, so here we are with this tape gun repair, and we've had the tack spots on both sides, and it's held together now. And we're just going to finish. We V'd it out all the way around with a Dremel. And we're just going to fill in the V here and just continue on. Just flow it on in, it'll kind of self-level. And we'll just keep going around the handle and fill in the V line. Okay, here we are. We're just finishing up. We've gone all the way around this handle now, and we filled in the V. And that's it. That's basically all the way around it. Any of these, like this bump right here, we can just file that off. And it's done. So after finishing this repair on the tape gun all the way around here, I decided this handle is hollow. So I decided to go ahead and we're going to reinforce it up to about here past that repair. And then this thing will be stronger than when it was brand new. So we're just going to put some powder in here like this. And we're just going to take some liquid and just wet that powder. Make sure it just looks shiny when you look down in there. If you get a little too much liquid, you can take just a little more powder and just put down in there and saturate that liquid. You can see that it'll saturate off, and when you look down in there, you'll see it. And then just let that dry, and then this thing will be stronger than it ever was. You can push the rubber up over this, but it will never break again because the stress is all up here, so this thing's reinforced all the way to there now.